Hi YouTube, this is my first ever video that I've ever uploaded. Just want to show you a Mark 1 TT that I picked up for a bargain of 700 quid, but it needs a shed load of work. So it's running the 1.8 turbo BAM engine, 225 brake, but as you can see, it is rough. Every single little detail on the car is absolutely disgusting. This car has been fully neglected, and it is my task to make it an absolute gem. Whether I sell it, modify it, strip it, I don't know, but I'm gonna try. It's on 107,000 miles. It's been heavily smoked in. I think it's even been lived in. But it comes with full service history and full 4-bolt tires. Nice. So before I start any mechanical work on this car, one thing I got to address is how filthy the engine bay is. I don't particularly want to get absolutely covered in crap while doing it, so I got my trusty snow foam gun and it's time to give it a clean. So I've just went over the engine bay with some snow foam, and just to get all the surface dirt off. It still needs a lot of work to get all the stuck oil off. I've noticed the exhaust is blowing, probably needs some service. Wouldn't surprise me if it needs a clutch. It just, yeah. But I'm gonna go over the rest of the car just to get, like I say, just the surface dirt off before it goes for a full detail and inspection. And as you can see, these wheels are absolutely filthy, all curved. These new tires, one of them needs a new hubcap, but it's all part of the fun. So I've just went over the car, give it just a quick clean to get all the surface dust off, give it a little bit of a closer inspection of any damage. These wheels need a full refurb, 4 new tyres, a new hubcap. There's a ding in this right wing here, but once it's fully cleaned, I'll see if I'm going to get around to doing that along with that. But I've noticed that this is 2 different shades of colour, which is a bit bizarre, and the other side is the same, so I'm not sure what to do about that. This wheel is absolutely gone. Again, bold tyre, well, not fully bold, but pretty much bold. Other than that, it's quite a clean car for 21 years old. So it's actually starting to rain now, sadly, so I'm not gonna continue. But the seats do need to come out. They do need a full clean, and a very good clean, in fact. And these carpets, they need to be nuked. They're gonna need a lot of attention. So while the seats are out, I can get on with that and give the interior a detail just to make it feel like I'm not gonna get sick, you know. I got to try and figure out what to do with this button here, which is actually sunk into the dash. And yeah, so I'm not sure how I get in there. Maybe take the head unit out and go up through there. It's pretty rough, you know, but I got it cheap, I think, I hope, you know, so let the project begin. So sadly, this is all I'm going to be doing on the Audi TT today. I got a day off work tomorrow, so I can get stuck in and make another video. So if you can like and subscribe for the next video on my first ever YouTube project, that'd be great. Thanks.